What up, what up, what up? Thanks for tuning in to Fast Farm, guys. Today we're heading on a little rip with my homie Steve with the 720S. Let's go! Alright, so we're sliding down to the Navy Yard. Hopefully we can take some pictures and videos of the cars. Let's see. I've never been down there before, so we're going to see how we get in and stuff. I ain't even gonna lie, it is cold as hell out today. Thank God this car is so warm.
It's gonna be a bright today. Hold on. Let me go. Is that what you're saying?
Alright, coming up on the link. Check it out. Home of the Philadelphia Eagles. Yes, sir. Oh, we got coppers everywhere. There's one. Right behind one. I see one up ahead, up there at the exit. Gotta put her in comfort mode, keep it a little quiet. I ain't trying to cause any attention. There he is, it's another trooper. Duck. Haha. Alright, getting off at Broad Street. Let's see what happens. Alright, so they had the gates locked off. Couldn't get in until after the Eagles game starts. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, let's go find something else. Hopping on 676. Heading through the city. Oh shit! Almost missed the exit. Alright, we're good. Ooh, check out this view of the Philadelphia skyline. Looks dope. The city of brotherly love. Hey, whoever came up with that is a funny guy. Bridge incoming. Here we go. Ooh, sorry, buddy. Not right now. You gotta get in where you fit in.
Yeah.
Man, this is nice sliding through on the weekend. Weekdays, this shit is just stopped. There we go. That sound never gets old. Alright, we got a good one coming up. Let's make some noise. Ah, shots fired.
What fucking lane, you idiot?
This road is so sick. There's so many cool twists and turns. Ooh, this shit's tight. That 720S is no joke. Not gonna lie, it's nice having a car that can keep up with it. Bro, my 850 has all-wheel steering. You can feel it around these turns. It is crazy. Hey, I don't know about you, but I'm a sucker for supercars. That 720S is so nasty. I'm in a downpipe and tuned 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 And that freaking stock 720S still pulls on me. It is unreal. Man, she stays popping. Alright, so the Navy Yard didn't work out, so we both have things on the schedule this afternoon, so we're just going to send it home. Ooh, we got a G80 M3. Let's see if he wants to play. Man, I thought for sure he would bite.